Greetings. My name is Mr. Joe, and I will be your pre-AP math teacher for this academic year of 2017-2018. So, when you come into my classroom, part of the procedures is you go to the back of the classroom and you pick up the paper. So we have two sheets you need to pick up: the cover of your ISN, our Interactive Student Notebook, and our table of contents. So for today, you will need your composition notebook, pencil, and tape. So let's look at today's number.
Yes, I thought it over quite thoroughly. It is, it's 42. It would have been simpler, of course, to have known what the actual question was.
So in this video, the ultimate question is 42. So in your table, you still be about 6 of you on your per table, 6 students per table. You're going to write today's number in the center of your manila paper, and then you're going to write it at least 2 different ways. How can you represent the number 42? So let me get my pen. Let's see. So I have 42. How can I represent 42 in different ways? I could represent it with addition as maybe 40 plus 2. I can represent it as 4 groups of 10 plus 2 more is equal to 42. I can represent it as a subtraction. 50 minus 8 is 42. Could I represent it as a multiplication? I could do 2 groups of 21, which is equivalent to 42. What about division? I could represent it as 84 divided by 2. That's 42. Could I use a decimal? 41 and 5/10 plus 5/10, or 0 and 5/10, adds up. The sum is 42. Could I represent it as with fractions? We could do, let's do it quick. 41 and a half plus 1/2. It's a half plus a half makes 1 whole, which when you add it to 41, the sum is 42. So there are many ways you can represent. You can also represent 42, 7 times 6. You can represent it with a rectangular array, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 6 groups of 7, which is 42. Many ways. So there will be no homework. So today, by the end of class, you will be able to use your number routine to share your thoughts about rational numbers. In 2 lessons from now, we're going to talk about rational numbers. Today we're going to be talking about some of the school rules before school expectation. Try to be on time, try to be quiet in the holding area, follow directions, and follow hallway expectation, be on time for class. Have hands and feet to yourself, walk on the right, walk and talk, 1 earbud only, no loitering. Student ID, all 6th graders will be given a student ID. You should get it at Bobcats Camp, which is the Thursday before school begins. Also, we have fire evacuation, tornado, and code blue. We'll show you the designated area for your safety. Hallway behavior, you should walk, no horseplays. Please use your inside voice or your level 2 voice, level 1 or level 2 voice. Use the shortest route between classes. Walk on the right-hand side because you do not want to bump into people. And no loitering or hanging out in hallways. Classwork and assignment. On our next lesson, we're going to be really talk about Canvas. Canvas is our learning management system, is where you can access your assignments, your homework, videos, discussion boards. And so we'll talk about that shortly in the next lesson. And you and your parents have access to your grades 24/7. They are live grades through Hack. Hack is the Katie Home Access Center, and it looks like this. You can just Google Home Access Center. Today you will be given your username and ID, and you just log in. And you will know your grade immediately. Especially when I grade a test or quiz, you will have be notified of that grade within a class or 2 periods or by after school. There's math tutorials Monday to Thursday after school from 2:35 to 3:05. I do hold them every day from Monday through Thursday. And an eighth period, which is considered your advisory, you can also ask for a tutorial pass. So sometimes I will assign students to tutorial because they may have not understood the concept or they did not meet my expectation on the quiz or test grades. They're below average. So you will be given one of these passes. Lunch, sixth graders eat from 10:45 to 11:15. Breakfast costs about $1.25. Lunch is about $2.75, and snacks offer a variety of lunches. We have cafeteria expectation. You will be learning it through your assistant principal, Mr. Manhattan, and he'll explain it as you enter the cafeteria. For advisory, during advisory, they will be talking about the school planner. School planner is like your travel pass in order to go to a restroom, to go to different areas of the school. They are, I currently, I think they are $3.25. They may have gone up. Um, and and the planner looks like this. And this is where you can put down all your assignments so you can keep organized because unlike elementary school, you do have 7 classes to go to, 7 different personalities, teacher personality, 7 different assignments, homework, 7 different homework assignments. So in dismissal, car riders and walker leave from the front of the building. Bike riders also from the front of the building. Car riders will go uh, leave through the bus drive. That's near the between the cafeteria and the gym as you enter the school. And here's the bus. So because you have an interactive notebook, composition notebook, we are going to be setting it up today on the first day of class. So you will be, so here's your composition notebook. I would like you to tape your, the cover, the title onto your interactive composition notebook. Please put down your period and please put down your name. Also, you're going to fold your table of contents in half and you're going to label the either top right corner or the bottom right corner as page 1. And in here, we will write down our daily learning objective so you can keep track of it. Think of it as a encyclopedia, a reference, a Wikipedia reference as to what we are learning so you can study. Because during test reviews, I will tell you which pages you need to refer back. You're going to number it, and then today you will be getting your login and password. If I'm not mistaken, your login, your Katie login and password is completely different from the elementary school. In theory, this is the same login and password you should be keeping for your 6th, 7th, and 8th. And then in 9th grade, you have the possibility to change your password to your own liking. And then we're going to do a quizzes to get to know me. So you, because you're going to be seeing me for the next 45 minutes for 177 days. So you should get to know who is going to teach you. So I welcome you to my class. My name is Mr. Joe, and welcome to Pre-AP Math 6.